And to Councilmember Brooks's point, we would like to see a resolution of the Bay complaint.
But I would hope that we don't just say that somebody get with the Bays, because we say that every time they come, because it's uncomfortable to hear what they're saying if what they're saying is true.
Good afternoon. My name is Salim Bey. Last night at the Oakland Police Commission, the Police Commission voted to attach this letter to the NSA meeting about the police. And it says, July 26, 2023, on behalf of the Oakland Police Commission, I write to request your investigation into the complaints of Mr. Ali Salim Bey and Mr. John Bey. The Bay's complaints directly relate to Task 5 and are related at the heart of Allen versus City of Oakland. And the case relates directly to racial and religious profiling of the Black and Muslim community. It says on April 1st, 2019, the commission contacted the NSA monitor and he didn't say anything. 4 years later, they rewrote this letter and it says that they're demanding a response. The monitor's response was insufficient and said, believe me, that I took care of it. That's not. The Bays filed a complaint on July 13, 2007, and the Citizens Police Review Board eventually became Internal Affairs Division 070538. 070538 was filed 4 days before Chauncey Bailey wrote his story exposing that the police were running guns inside the Black community and that they were purposely fomenting black-on-black murders and violence and creating artificial terrorism. The letter says there is apparently is also concrete evidence that at least one member of OPD admitted that the department acted with racial and religious bias, which may have resulted in OPD's purposeful failure to investigate. This affects the Black community. We'd like to get a portion of the attention that you just gave the other communities that are riding on the civil rights that Black people fought for. And here you have concrete evidence on city letterhead. That makes this a confession. So what we want to do is make sure that the CC says, the Oakland City Council, that you received this last month or in July and you haven't taken any actions to make sure that the Black community and the Black and Muslim community stops getting profiled. It says the mayor is on here. It says the city attorney is on here. In fact, the concrete evidence has the city attorney in it. So what we need for you to do is to act. We need to first stop paying $1 million to a monitor that is not doing the Black community and the Muslim community justice, right? And the fact of the matter is that there's 5 murders attached to these complaints. And if these 5 murders aren't important to you, these 5 murders are in the Black community. And I want you to see these faces so that it ain't just something that you want to. I want you to see it and I want you to remember that until you take action, these people and their families ain't having any justice.
Thank you, Mr. Bey. Your time is up.